and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Pope Francis celebrates Mass in East Timor, marks 25th independence anniversary. Southwest Garo Hills hosts World Suicide Prevention Day event. Robbery hits Nongpo shops. Police investigate. And FIR lodged against Pasa Pathology Lab for waste disposal violation. And now the news in detail. On September 10th, over 6 lakhs Catholic from East Timor gathered in Dili to attend a historic Holy Mass celebrated by Pope Francis. The event, held to commemorate the 25th anniversary of East Timor's independence from Indonesia, was Pope Francis's first visit to the nation. Despite a sweltering 32 degrees Celsius, the faithful remained steadfast, singing joyful as the Pope entered the square. Reverend Father Pedro brought 800 parishioners from 140 kilometers away to witness the Mass, which was the largest attendance of Pope Francis's pilgrimage. East Timor, with a population of 1.3 million and a 96% Catholic majority, saw its highest ever gathering for the Pope. The country has made significant strides since gaining independence, with Pope Francis praising its growth and prosperity. The Holy Mass was also a tribute to Pope John Paul II's role in East Timor's path to freedom. Following the visit, Pope Francis will travel to Singapore before returning to Vatican City on September 13th.
Em nome do Pai, e do Filho, e do Espírito Santo.
Amém.
A paz esteja convosco.
Bendito seja Deus que nos reuniu no amor de Cristo.
Irmãos, para celebrarmos dignamente os santos mistérios, reconelamos que somos con las que el profeta Isaías se dirige en la primera lectura a los habitantes de Jerusalén, en una época de prosperidad para la ciudad, pero lamentablemente caracterizada por una gran decadencia moral. Hay mucha riqueza, pero el bienestar ciega a los poderosos, los engaña, haciéndoles creer que se pueden bastar a sí mismos, que no necesitan al Señor, y su presunción los lleva a ser egoístas, injustos. Por esto, a pensar de que hay abundancia de bienes, Los pobres están abandonados y sufren de hambre. La infidelidad a Dios se extiende y la práctica religiosa se reduce cada vez más a una mera formalidad.
In observance of World Suicide Prevention Day, the District Mental Health Program of Southwest Garo Hills organized a significant event at Chengkompara Adolescent Health Resource Center on Tuesday. Themed Changing the Narrative on Suicide, the event aimed to raise awareness about mental health and suicide prevention. Superintendent of Police Vikash Kumar, the chief guest, addressed the impact of social media on mental health, especially among the youth. Other key figures included Dr. A.K. Marak, BDO of Purakhasia, Siernadi Block, Dr. Denisha Momin, Medical Superintendent of Ampati Civil Hospital, and Dr. Samson Sangma, MNHO of Southwest Garo Hills. Attendees, including students from local schools, participated in various competitions such as extempo speech and poster making. Dr. Marak emphasized the need for grassroots mental health education, while Dr. Momin discussed the root causes of rising suicide rates. The week-long awareness program highlighted the community's role in suicide prevention.
It's an important, at the same time, burning issue which has been taken up on this World Suicide Prevention Day. It is important to understand that this suicide has been taken up very seriously, very seriously by the government, the central government, state government, everyone. And when government takes anything seriously, they come out with policies. So, government has come up with mental health care policy in 2014. After a long-drawn study on which world has been pondering upon, United States have the attention on that. After that, the government came up.
IPS and our Superintendent of Police, Southwest Garo Hills Ampati, BDO Purakhasia Block, Dr. A.K. Marak, SCSO Ampati, Sri TCS Marak, Madam Dr. Denisha Momin, Superintendent, Medical Superintendent of Ampati Civil Hospital, all the students and all the teachers and the principals, the ashas and various individuals who have gathered here. On this occasion, I welcome each and every one of
In the early hours of September 10th, robbers targeted two shops in Nongpo, stealing money and numerous goods. The affected businesses were Moonlight Studio, located in Ba Hubert Marwen's building, and a jewellery shop owned by Tuta Mia. The thieves not only took valuables but also left behind a scene of chaos with damaged items scattered inside the shops. Local police and forensic experts have arrived to investigate the break-ins. The authorities are currently examining evidence and following leads to track down the culprits. The community remains on high alert as investigations continue into the incident.
Mana mesti berapa orang si teng ayo kuat mana mana depan agak kentang depan jadi saya sekarang buat ayo intip yang bahasa kentang sama depan buat sama semangat dan aku mau aja itu bos para kan tidak KFR karena kalian kulit lawan berarti baik buat nak tim ekspat sama Shillong lawan mana Meghalaya yang tingkat sprint lawan program ada kita di 46 batang bah dan lo kata salah satu ni ngom semua yang beli mah dari salong ke para susi bah tang hari ni kita yuk minta kelalong lain kali depan pada titik lain itu ada pelapun depan kelas satu mungkin saya lihat tengok Shillong senang, kalau nampak senang, apakah nak tujuh senang songkan, buat para senang panangnes mas, ini ban siapa hukum gini bro, buat bantuan penjat dengan tu penting, panbam step jadi makanya dia semua kulit pakai tim ekspat nanti selawan Shillong ni, tapi ya kayak gini dan kami lalu bagi layu penderin ban
The Mintong Donbosco has filed an FIR against Pasa Pathology Lab for improperly disposing of injection needles and biochemical waste along NH40E Jowai Amlarem. Evidence including writings on boxes and bags covered with waste links the items to the lab. The irresponsible disposal by the lab staff poses significant risks to public health and safety. Authorities are investigating the incident to ensure proper handling of medical waste and prevent future violations. On September 8th, the Sisters of Bethany marked Girl Child Day, coinciding with the birthday of Mary, the mother of Jesus. Reverend Sister Mavis, Superior of Bethany, led the celebrations and emphasized the importance of daughters in family life. She spoke at a special meeting about how families with both sons and daughters embody love, forgiveness, and mutual respect and envisioned by God. Reverend Sister Mavis highlighted that while families with only sons or only daughters are also valuable, they may miss out on the unique support and balance provided by having both. She urged parents to offer equal opportunities to their children, regardless of gender. The day's events included performances by children, a candle lighting ceremony, flower arrangements, and rosary prayers, fostering a sense of community and celebration.
So all of you, when you put the flowers, you look good, isn't it? Yes.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.